trying to pick out a donut right now. I don't know which one to get. That looks good. That looks good. Those look good. Everything looks good. I went with this one. Hey guys, how are ya? I hope you're having a good day. Me too. Right now we're in the car. We just went to Speedway and got stuff. What are you doing? But yeah, we're on our way. Well, we're gonna be
Tic Tac.
We're on our way to Detroit to go to a car show.
That's called product placement.
So yeah, I'm gonna be vlogging today. Hopefully it'll be interesting. I'll show you some cars and stuff. Yeah. My hair looks really bad today.
House at home, you go, big boy. Who's scaring my wife?
I said,
why are you
if
so
they want to
fat?
charge more than $26 for parking, I say we say fuck you. Alright, we had to stop at, where are we? Kohl's and Novi. Because my dad spilled coffee on his pants, so he's coming to buy new pants. And it's really cold. I feel really stupid for getting frozen coffee. Star Wars shirt! I want that, and I want that one. Yeah, I feel stupid for getting frozen coffee because it's really cold outside. We're in Detroit. We just parked in a really tiny parking spot. Now we gotta walk outside. I don't know where we're going, but it's cold. Oh, I love cities. It's so much fun taking pictures. Alright, we made it inside. Lots of people. It's just like VidCon though, like for real. It's insane. So we made it inside. There's a lot of people here. It's kind of like VidCon, except like 10 times more people. Yeah, it's insane. It's very crowded, but it's just like VidCon with different like halls and stuff. It's cool. As it should be.
So they're gonna make the cruise in the car. That's kind of cool. Also use Jewish slang.
Wait a second.
Conversation has been ongoing. This is a conversation. The show doesn't work if you guys don't talk to us. There's some ways that you can get involved, okay? Bye! Stick around though, a couple more seconds. If you want to join our program, I tell them that they're not allowed to stay. Don't go.
I just met Brittany Taylor at this car show, and she was the sweetest person ever. What'd she say? Yes, I found her on Instagram. I know her videos and I watch her videos and stuff. I just couldn't remember her last name. But she's so down to earth, and she gave me a hug and we took a picture, and she said that, what'd she say to you? She was like
that I was in trouble because she's so pretty.
Yeah, she called me pretty, and I was just like, oh my god, I was freaking out. And we talked about VidCon for a little bit, but it was really cool. I'll show a picture right here. just got fudge and it is so amazing. What's the place called? I don't know if it's showing, but chocolate. Good job, Mom. It's chocolate peanut butter and it's freaking amazing. This car looks so sweet. What is that? It's like a hologram looking thing. Yeah. That is so cool.
Yeah, there's a piece of glass.
Alright, wish us luck. We're going out into the frozen tundra outside. We're probably gonna freeze on the way back to the car. So, this should be fun. What do you have to say about the cold weather?
It sucks in Michigan.
Trudeau. What's up, Mom?
Continue on Michigan 10 north for 18 miles.
You guys getting hungry?
Yeah.
I can.
I could eat any time. I'm always hungry. Do you even know me?
75. What do you want to take that?
Good. Do I go to Flint? Take 69 home.
You want to do that?
It's really dark and you can't even see me.
36.
And I completely forgot to vlog for the past 2 hours, but we got Chili's. And
It is Siberia outside. Do not go outside!
It's really cold. We're all dying and shivering. But we just left. We have like an hour and a half car ride home, right?
Nah, it won't be out.
Yeah. It took us only like 20 minutes to get here from Detroit.
It'll be like an hour.
It'll
We
be
gotta
like an
open a
hour,
wormhole
so.
if we want to get there any faster.
But yeah, it's cold. We're full and tired, and we're going home.